Varroa sampling, an ATTTA demonstration. Varroa sampling begins with finding a brood frame without the queen. Once you are certain the queen is not on your brood frame, you can gently roll your container down the frame while holding it at an angle to collect bees in the container. The liquid in the container can be antifreeze or 70% alcohol or something similar. Continue to collect bees until you have about half a cup of bees, which is about 300 bees. The next step is to shake the bees. Before you shake your sample, make sure that the lid is on tightly. Once the lid is on securely, you can shake your sample for 2 minutes. Shaking the sample will dislodge any Varroa mites that are hanging onto the bees. Once you have completed 2 minutes of shaking, you can flip your sample over to drain and separate the liquid and Varroa mites from the bees. And then you can count the mites that are left in the liquid. Sometimes it helps to hold it up to the sun or a bright light so that it shines through and you can see the liquid clearly. You can count the mites and divide the number by 3, which will give you the % infestation of Varroa mites in your colony. Varroa mites have successfully been sampled.